Hello guys, I'm Sim from rentalmilan.com. This is Milena apartment video tour. This is living room and kitchen area. It's always on rent near Bocconi, Milano, Italy. Let's see the kitchen area. Little washing machine. Little kitchen area here. Living area 2. This is actually sofa beds, single sofa beds, unlimited internet. Check out the balcony, very nice view. Very bright, very quiet. This is the sleeping area. View, very nice. And here we have also entrance and entrance, and I show you the bathroom with big shower, and reconstructed also. It's nice. I hope you like it. And to check the price and availability, you can contact our driver directly. I let you the link downstairs in the description. I hope you like it, and see you soon here in Milano.